Welcome to part 3 of 6 tutorial videos for building an interactive dashboard in Excel. In this section, we will be creating the Section 03 worksheet. As a reminder, Excel software is slightly different in the Windows version versus the Mac version. This tutorial video covers both versions. The appearance of the dashboard may be slightly different under the two operating systems, but the dashboards will have essentially the same functionality. Where the instructions differ for Mac versus Windows, there will be an Apple logo shown in the upper right corner of each slide that applies only to Mac users. We will be starting this tutorial where we left off in the previous tutorial video. Open the file that you saved at the end of the Section 2 tutorial. Using the file you created in Section 02, create a new worksheet by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom of your Excel file. Double-click on the New Sheet tab and name it Section 03. Navigate to the Section 01 worksheet and click in the first pivot table. On the Pivot Table Analyze tab, click on Select. In the drop-down box, click on Entire Pivot Table. Then hit Control-C or Command-C for Mac users to make a copy of the pivot table. Navigate to the Section 03 worksheet and click in cell A3. Then hit Control-V or Command-V for Mac users to paste the pivot table copy. Now we will disconnect the pivot table from the Market Slicer on the Section 1 worksheet. On the Pivot Table Analyze tab, click on Filter Connections. In the drop-down box, uncheck Market. Drag Market, Years, Quarters, and Period Ending Date out of the Rows box. Drag Division and Product Line into the Rows box. On the Pivot Table Analyze tab, click on Insert Slicer. In the drop-down box, click on Division. Click OK. Select the top division button on your slicer, in our case, Germany. Then drag the bottom up so that there is not as much blank space. The Section 03 worksheet is now complete. Click on the slicer buttons to see how the data changes with each different division selection. Be sure to save your workbook. We will be starting with it in the next section. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz. Have a great day.